Hello, Charde, Constantine Shiv. How are we all? So this is going to be a quick speed run of the 2026 higher level leaving certificate listening exam paper. That's a bit of a mouthful. And I'm just going to run through this, and I might make a mistake, who knows. But just to get an idea, it's just kind of for my own entertainment. I know what a sad life I live. But anyway, let's start. I said. I might be doing some skipping with the tape just in case, just to get through it quicker, so I don't have to be listening to the beeps and all. So it should start here in a second. I don't want to skip it now in case. Is this it?
Fógra a hain.
Here we go.
Seo fógra ó bhainisteoir na trucaile cafe sa spiog. A éisteoirí, tá oibrí barista á loragagan dar drucail cafe sa spiog. Itá site an gé mail an átha.
Okay.
Ba an duine a cheapfar ag obair gach sathran agus dánach. Maire an lá oibre ón an naí a chlog maidin go dtí a cúig a chlog tróna. Na cáilichtaí atá riachtanach don fost seo tá taithí bheith ag obair mar rastalaí, teastas is sláinteachas bia agus scilena maithe cumarsáide. Is é an túrastal na €40 san uair. Má tá simagad sa fost seo, chur litir iartais chuig an seola rifost, bainisteoir ag sosbeag.ie. Is é an 7 lá de bhí úil an dáta dearnach le hain an iartas.
Okay. I think I got it all there. Is it going to go to Fógra though? No, I think. Or would it go back to Fógra Hain? I think it will be Fógra though. Sorry, this might be boring. But anyway. So Sosbeag 9 o'clock to 5 o'clock Tróna. So that's Maidin, I
Seo fógra ó bhainisteoir na trucaile cafe Sosbeag. A éisteoirí, tá oibrí barista á loragagan dar drucail cafe Sosbeag. Itá site an gé mail an átha. Ba an duine a cheapfar ag obair gach sathran agus dánach. Maire an lá oibre ón an naí a chlog maidin go dtí a cúig a chlog tróna. Na cáilichtaí atá riachtanach don fost seo tá taithí bheith ag obair mar rastalaí,
Yeah, I got that.
teastas is sláinteachas bia
I didn't bother writing
agus
that.
scilena maithe cumarsáide.
Perfect.
Is é an túrastal na €40 san uair. Má tá simagad sa fost seo, chur litir iartais chuig an seola rifost, bainisteoir ag sosbeag.ie.
I said I'd put in the euro
Is
there
é an
to
7
be
lá de bhí
official.
úil an dáta dearnach le hain an iartas.
So I'd like to think I got that all right, and the marking scheme isn't out yet, so there's no way of checking. And yeah, I feel like someone could have made a mistake about here. The Horant that they might have written like Saturday or Sunday, whatever the days were. So Fógra Adó.
Seo fógra ó chalaiste na trínáide bailithe clia. Cuirí chalaiste na trínáide tús le scéim cónaithe gaeilge da bhicléan na cheadmhliana a mí bhean fómhar. Bei lostin ar fáil in Erasain a chala na trínáide mar é na jontas €1,000 da gachmach léin a dheoidh éitir an scéim seo. Dar chonnealathe na scéime, caithí an mac léin a bheith sésta lostin a rint le cantearí gaeilge eile, an gaeilge a lóirt gach lá, agus a bheith páirte in imachtaí gaealaithe sa chalaiste. Genthar gearliste den na hiaratais, agus bei agalah le genú ag na hiaratasarí a bhain éitimach ar an gearliste sin. Tá rééis na agalah, Raunathar ré wach léin déag don scéim cónaithe. Tá gach álas fin scéim seo ar fáil ó affaigh na gaeilge sa chalaiste.
I messed up here, I fear, on the Cornéalacha. Like, there's a lot of information being fed to you at once, and I've heard it all, but I forget the exact wording, so I'm just going to listen back to that and double check. Imi man for I say that was right.
Seo fógra ó chalaiste na trínáide bailithe clia. Cuirí chalaiste na trínáide tús le scéim cónaithe gaeilge da bhicléan na cheadmhliana mi van fóver. Bei lostin ar fáil in
Well, I have to
Erisain
cross
a
there.
Chalana Trinadja, mar in de Jontas €1,000 da gachmach léin a joi eitjer in scéim seo. Dar chonjulahan a scéima, cahi an mach léin a bheith sesta lostin a rinch le canchari gaelge eile, an gaelge a lort gach lae,
Yeah.
agus a
yeah,
bheith párte in
I
amachtaí
swear I knew
gaelachas a
that.
chalaiste. Jan gearliste den na hieratis, agus bei agalah le genu ag na hieratasari a bhain hí éitema an gearliste sin. Tá rééis na agalah, raunahar ré wach léin jéag don scéim
I
cónaige.
suppose
Tá
I had that kind of
gacholas
written
fon
wrong.
scéim seo ar
just
fáil
write,
ó affig na gaelge sa chalaiste.
Backlane Diog, or just 12, I suppose. It doesn't matter. But yeah, I think that's that page over and done with. We're back on next to the quid B. Okay, I might skip this a
Fá
bit.
péir,
Okay. A chéad bhéid. Agus a dar na míad. Right, can the dinner poll the canis.
córá a héan.
Right, lock in.
Hiya, fool. Inistum. Cad a harladis in éonchar.
Well, a bháda. Bhris mé mar routine I gimmert a glethe canis pelle an chunta caicís ó hin.
Conas a harla sé sin a fool.
Bhí mé gimmert I lár na páirce nuair a rinneach calís orm agus an líorthód I ma hellah agam. Rug I mi ród ón bhuireann eile ma gheansaí agus leagach go talamh mé. Hit mé go ciotach ma routine.
Agus tógach díreach go dtí an tos bedéal hú.
Tógach cinnte. Rinneach ex-chathú ma routine an sin. Fuadthas amach go raibh sib riste. Cuireach an pláster seo éid agus tugach na maidí crisise seo dom.
Agus inistum bhuaig sibh an cluthe canis.
Bhuaig cinnte. Ach bhí dí má an dain orm mar chail mé brunna an chuireann agus, níos measa fós, ní raibh mé an dul chuig an gcóisir sa clobthach an ihe sin.
Cahan a bhainfar an pláster de a routine a fool.
Tá chuine ospidéal agam ag an trí seachtaine. Brahan sé na torthaí ón ex-chathú an lá sin.
Nach raibh sé sucrathe agat, dul sire le de cháde a fool.
Bhí cinnte. Bhí sé beartathe a gcuin dul híre rothíochta I neisgurt na Franke. Ach bhí orm an tíre sin a chur ar ceall.
Is trua sin. An bhuair tú de chuid airigid a reis.
Fuad a bháda, mar cheannig mé áireachas taistil nuair a chur mé an tíre in áirithe. Bhí orm fuidim speisialta a líana isteach, agus testas dochtúra a chur ar fáil, don cholach taistil mar íanaise ar an ngortú.
Beg tú nán sire eile a chur an áirithe a fool. Cogur, caig mise I meacht. Tásúlagum go méid biseach do routine sola I bhad.
Go raibh maithagat a bháda, slán leat.
Right, I'm just going to lock in the answers there. I think they're fine. Maybe I messed up that one, but it's fine. It's not that deep. So, Kai Kisho Hin, that's straightforward enough. A rugim roar on Verden Lele Chanzi. Actually, I might listen back to that just to make sure. Hitchik Krotach routine. I'm not exactly sure if that's what they said. Chail she Bronna a Chorn. He lost he didn't basically get to attend the trophy, whatever, Bronna bestowal, I suppose. And there was also one, he was like, more importantly, I didn't get to go to the party. Get your priorities right, Paul. So, and then I actually was surprised with the lack of information they provided on the holiday. Like, it all basically happened in one sentence. And I think these were the really only two pieces of information. So it was a Serge Rohiach a Viaun. Maybe I could have written that better with a verb or something. And it was in Desh Cart and Franke. And maybe this word might have confused people. Orchus, that's insurance. Orchus specialta. So I'm just going to fast forward a bit until I get to this part just to make sure I'm right with the second part in particular.
Hiya, fool. Inistum.
Right.
Cad a harla sé sin a fool.
Bhí mé gimmert I lár na páirce nuair a rinneach calís orm agus an líorthóid I mo heileamh agam. Rug I mo róid ón bhuireann eile mo gheansaí agus leagach go talamh mé. Hit mé go ceotach mo rútín.
Agus tógach díreach go dtí an tóspadéal
Go
thú.
ceatach.
Tógach cinnte.
I think that's like...
Rinneach ex-chathú
I kind of know
mo
what it means, but I
rútín
can't say
an
it.
sin.
If you get me.
Fuadthas
Okay,
amach go
I'm
raibh
happy
sé
with that.
biste. Cuireach an
Right. Whoops. Now, Córa a dó. I'm going to have to do some skipping here.
sa club
A fól.
tá chuine ospidéal agam
Stop,
ag an
it's still
trís
going, Córa,
bhí
hey.
cinnte.
Is trúa sin
Bhí orm fuidim spis
saoire eile a chur.
a bháre. Slán leat.
Slán. Right. Move on to Córa a dó.
Córa a dó.
Hello a hinnéad. Ní acha mehu le tamil nuas. Cá rotu.
Bhí mé ag flaithceol na héireann a Loch Garman. Bhí mé ag ghlach apáirt I gríomh chomórtas an bhus go ceol faoi 8 mbliana déag.
Agus cén chuí aide leat sa chríomh chomórtas sin a hinnéad.
Farír ní aidirlumm dúis a bhuachan. Níor hain mé na páirt chomá agus a béidirlumm. Bhaigh mé annermhíseach agus mé ar an stáite. Bhí mé anóíocht le ceoltóirí iontacha eile.
Gaisce bhí an áite bhaintteach sa chríomh chomórtas sin a hinnéad. Agus bhaint tú tainmh as na himachtaí eile a bhí ar siúl ag an bhlá.
Bhain cínse. Bhí ceol agus óráníochtin sco le clistal ar na sráideanna. Bhí tuspántais iontacha rince le feiceáil ar ordáin eile. Ach ba é an rud bhó a chu a bhaimmarm ná an meas atá ag daoine ar cheol agus a rince tradiisiúnta na héireann.
Chnig me fís an ar TikTok Jan réalta
Oh my God,
cheol Ed
TikTok.
Sheeran
Oh,
agus
Ed
ag
Sheeran.
sinim ag an bhlá. An bhacha tú ána.
Chuinnig cínse. Chúla mé an ráfla a bhí dul hart gomach Ed Sheeran I láthir I gceann de na tithe tábharne ihe de máirt. Bharta mé héin agus mo cháirde dul an. Nuair a thiúlamar isteach an doras, bhí Ed Sheeran an ag sinim an ghitar agus ag canna.
This is hardly
Tá
true,
an
is it?
éad leat a hinnéad. Hála aon rud ionintach eile ag an bhlá.
Hála cínse a ruaí. Sáiríoch cur iirecht ghaunda Guinness, don bhanna céalaí is mó riamh.
Cehéad ceoltar ar fad a bhí ag sinim sa bhanna céalaí sin a hinnéad.
Bhí 1800 ceoltóir ar fádán, agus iad ag sinim uirlaisí éagsúla le chéile. Bhí atmosfér dochreite an I Borg Chadwicks I Loch Garman an tróna sin.
Ar aus ar fad. Caithim éimeach do bhaile a hinnéad. Slán agat.
Okay, I'm after missing that one. That's pure embarrassing now. I think it was to do something with the most musicians maybe in one room. I heard it mentioned, but it just didn't register with me. Thank God we can listen to this twice. I'm so happy they mentioned TikTok as a TikToker myself.
Hello a hinnéad. Ní acha mehu
skip
le
this
tamil
slightly.
Mbliana déag.
agus cén chuí aide leat sa chríomh chomórtas sin a hinnéad.
Farír ní aidirlumm dúis a bhuachan. Níor hain mé na páirt chomá agus a béidirlumm. Bhaigh mé annermhíseach agus mé ar an stáite. Bhí mé anóíocht le ceoltóirí iontacha eile.
Okay.
Gaisce bhí an áite bhaintteach sa
I think
chríomh
this-
chomórtas
maybe they
sin
said
a hinnéad.
ceol tuirisciúnta,
Agus
not
bhaint
just
tú
ceol.
tainmh as na himachtaí eile a bhí ar siúl ag an bhlá.
Bhain cínse. Bhí ceol agus óráníochtin sco le clistal ar na sráideanna. Bhí
Okay.
tuspántais iontacha rince le feiceáil ar ordáin eile. Ach ba é an rud bhó a chu a bhaimmarm ná an meas atá ag daoine ar cheol agus a rince tradiisiúnta na héireann.
Okay, perfect. Is that going to play again, Córa, though? I fear it is. The first part of it. Also, I know you're not meant to write outside these boxes, but it doesn't matter. Whoops. Well, it does matter if you're actually doing it, but...
Chnig me fís an ar TikTok Jan
Ar
réalta
TikTok.
cheol Ed Sheeran agus ag sinim ag an bhlá. An bhacha tú ána.
Chuinnig
Ráfla
cínse.
is rumour.
Chúla
fun
mé an
fact.
ráfla a bhí dul hart gomach Ed Sheeran I láthir I gán dina tithe tábharne ihe de mát. Bharta me hain agus mo cháirde dalán. Nuair a hiúlamar isteach an doras, bhí Ed Sheeran an
Wow.
ag sinnim an gitar agus ag canna.
Tá an éad leat a hinnéad. Tharla aon rud ionntach eile ag an bhlá.
Hála cínse a ruaí. Sáiríoch cur iirecht ghaunda Guinness, don bhanna céilí is mó riamh.
Cevéad ceoltar ar fad
Céilí.
bhí ag sinnim sa bhanna céilí sin a hinnéad.
Riamh.
Bhí 1,800 ceoltóid ar fádán,
Right.
agus iad ag sinnim uirla sí
fast.
éagsúla le chéile.
Next page. Is
Bhí
there a next page,
atmosfér
surely?
dochrete an.
Yeah, okay, quiddacy, and I think that's the last part. Yeah, I'm not doing essays, guys. Okay.
Bhí inis go cuaramach ar de scrú.
This actually is fast enough if I remember. I don't know. They're all pretty fast though, in fairness. Okay. Ross
Pizza
had
a hen.
mentioned-
Tá ceilú a dhéanú faoi láthair ar an subbaldrama Ross na Rún a bheith áchréilú le trocha bliain ar TG cehar. Ó créilú an cheadstráid sa bhliain 1996, tá Ross na Rún ag máú lecht fechan na dílis le téimi comhamsre agus leis an léirú ar an síl a bobbal gaeltachta. Créaltar Ross na Rún ar TG cehar ar leabhar tar éis a hocht gach Máirt agus Jardín. Tá seirbhís dhidžital nua curtha ar fáil ag TG cehar le déanaí. Is é sin gur féidir gach chléir a thrúthú ar cheintseoir TG cehar leasa le gréaltar ar an telefís é.
That was a mouthful of a sentence. Got clár how who aired and Shine Tower. Was it a Shine Tower? I don't know. I'm just making stuff up now. Law of an
Tá ceilú a dhéanú faoi láthair ar an subbaldrama Ross na Rún a bheith áchréilú le trocha bliain ar TG cehar. Ó créilú an cheadstráid sa bhliain 1996, tá Ross na Rún ag máú lecht fechan na
was my
dílis
chair making
le
quiz, by the way,
téimi
just in case
comhamsre
you're concerned.
agus leis an léirú ar an síl a bobbal gaeltachta. Créaltar Ross na Rún ar TG cehar ar leabhar tar éis a hocht gach
I
Máirt
think I
agus
got both of
Jardín.
these.
Tá seirbhís dhidžital nua curtha ar fáil ag TG cehar le déanaí. Is é sin gur féidir gach chléir a thrúthú ar
That's meant to
cheintseoir
be an
TG
A.
cehar leasa le gréaltar ar an telefís é.
I'll just put down there in television. It doesn't matter though, I say. Right, pizza though, so. I just realised I didn't even listen back
Pizza
to this
a
back.
dough.
That's
Bhí ihe speisialta
Dumb of me.
darb anim ihe na hóige ar siúl den chiad uair ar an éanú lá is fithe de bhí na sauna an lirig. Ar an ihe, chur clubanna óige agus seirbhísí óige ó cheann ceann na héireann a gud aibre ar taspáint don phobal. Bhí réimse lehan imachtaí ar siúl sna clubanna éagsúla ar an ihe. Dimmer díne cluhí búrd ag globanna áirithe, chlach díne páirt ag geardlanna éagsúla in ionad eile, bhí ceolchorimeacha agus taspántais cheardaíochta agus alíonna ar siúl ag globanna eile. Tugann rannpháirtíocht ag globanna agus is seirbhísí óige, deis de dhaoine óga bula le cárda nua, skillanna nua a álam, munín a arbert agus níos mó sime a chur i gcúrsaí fallánne.
right. That wasn't too bad. I think I'm done with that part. I'm just gonna. No, I won't do that. I won't rewind the tape. Maybe I should just to make sure this part is right. I'm not going to change it. Don't worry. This is the speedrun submitted now. I don't know what the time is. There's probably not going to be a time because I was.
Bhí ihe speisialta
Yeah, pause. I just want to make sure I got these two right. I know it was talking about Tiami Coimshere and Leirú Phobal na Gaeltacht. The wording was slightly different, but what I wrote is basically what they said though. Hang on.
skillanna nua a álaí ar siúl agus seirbhísí óige ó cheann ceann lá is fithe de bhí na sauna an lirig.
I'm on the wrong one there still.
Is é sin ar malú lacht fechan na dílis le chéimi coamsre
Yes.
agus leis an léirú ar an síl a bobl gaeltachta.
Léir
Creailtear
Phobal
Ross na
Gaeltacht,
Rún ar tí-
that's good enough for me. You could throw down Aaron Sale. I swear, at times they want you to write the whole transcript and you don't have time really. So yeah, that's the Cloish Hishkint done and dusted. I say I got it fairly right. I'm bound to have made some sort of mistake, but it doesn't it doesn't matter really. Let me know if you notice me making any mistake. I'm sure I've definitely made a spelling mistake or a grammar mistake or something, because you're writing down stuff so fast, like it's actually quite hard. Yeah, that's the part I find hardest, is just doing it within the time. And I suppose I didn't make life easier by skipping some of the things and wanting to do it in the first round. But anyway, I don't have all day, and I'm afraid, because this is my iPad, I was afraid it would run out of storage midway through the recording. So I better stop talking now, to be honest. But just to look at the essays, I say a lot of people did this one here. I got actually messages from people saying that they wrote about me in their essays, presuming it was this title here, oh my god, I pronounced that so horribly. I'm so used to pronouncing it as saying Echaelin. I'm not used to saying that word. Echaelge, agus a cultúr gaelach a dul ó neart go neart. I say half the population did that. Maybe an overreaction, but it wouldn't surprise me, to be honest. So yeah, I suppose I'll just end that there now. Tá sólagam gur, I don't know what I'm hoping for. I hope you all had a nice test, as they say. Yeah. Slán leave.